on, here we go. I wonder if it's gonna chase you with like loud music.
I don't want it to. I don't. Oh God, they got good music too. You know it's gonna be scary. You know it's gonna be scary.
As soon as you hear that synth dark wave 80s
Yes,
bullshit.
exactly.
Every night I went to the market to shop for dinner. Been doing this for years. Oh God! But after what happened to me, I never go out at night. Night. It was 2 a.m. man. Oop! Here we go. Tearing up a little bit. Oh, good Lord! Working clicky dinner. Oh shit! Oh my God, that's scary.
Who is that?
He watches you all the time, even at bedtime. All the time. What happens if he's right there as soon as like unclick?
Probably. Oh my God.
These
I'm
birds
scared,
are in my
dude. Yeah.
ear,
Oh, it's not really
big
birds.
style.
They're crickets. They're crickets and insects.
Haven't you heard of an owl? There are birds at night.
Oh yeah.
Oh, turning around. Oh,
It's like,
oh, he's moving. He's moving.
where?
Actual?
I don't see.
Hold on. Wait.
Wow.
Oh my God, I just got so scared. I can't
No,
change
he's not
the.
moving.
I can't
He's
change
just...
the DPI. Oh, that's just.
Yeah. It's just blurry. It's really blurry to me.
I don't want to.
Pixelated.
I don't want to take. Ooh.
Hurry, click it. Just click it. Just click it.
Out of here. Get the boo-boo out of here. Wait. Don't let their expression fool you. Their feelings and wants are different. Okay. Okay. All right. All right. I want to just. I'm gonna just.
No, don't turn away from him, dude. Do not turn away.
Hey, pal. God.
Oh, he's looking at you while he passes, I think.
I can't go any. Oh, I was caught on the pole. Okay,
Hey,
just
buddy.
keep your eyes on him. Keep your eyes on him. Keep your eyes on him.
I'm scared. Actually, don't turn.
Put them
Just
peepers
turn.
on him.
Turn fast.
Put them
Turn fast.
peepers on
What if
him.
he's?
Oh shit! Put them. Okay, my body just chilled up. That's not good.
I'm scared.
Put
I'm
them
really
peepers on
scared.
him.
I'm getting real nervous, dude.
What do you say?
I'm too tired to run now. Why are we walking alone at night?
Okay.
Well,
No, we're hungry. Look at your body. Look at my body. I think that explains it. Okay.
no, I would not walk alone at night. That's for damn sure.
It's a little too dark. I can't see anything.
Are we going the
dark.
right way? Oh my God! Who walks this far to get
I can't
home?
see anything. This is.
I can't. Oh no!
Don't.
Is that a creeper man? Oh. Creeper man. Enderman. It's so pixelated on my screen. Everything is just. Are you really?
Shut up.
I did not know that.
Okay. We're safe for now. Market just let me in and let me just stay in here. Hey guy,
buddy.
look at your Mr. Clean self. I want this radio.
Forehead to face ratio.
Hold on. Why can't we just walk with the boombox?
Ooh, get it.
Let's just walk with the boombox out.
You can't talk to him?
It won't let me. It just says shop. Oh. Okay.
Again.
181. So we're walking at 2 a.m. for a
Look at his face
$1.81.
to his head.
It looks like the WWE character's gone wrong. With the 2K face scan.
Oh
Can I
my
just borrow your
God.
car, homie? Just let me just have a real quick ride. Okay, so I'm. Oh, cool. Oh, here it is. It's getting too. I hear the. I hear it. Okay, everything just stopped. Oh, don't put your hands up. Open your
Super
eyes.
scared, dude. No, my eyes are open, but I need the spider web.
He's gonna be at the light.
Yeah. You know. You already know.
Why did
You
they do that? Oh man, my knuckles is getting ashy. Ooh, I'm gripping so hard right now. God, where is he?
I'm super.
Stop. Wait, what was our house? You remember what our house was?
Oh, I don't. We were too scared.
Oh, it's past here. Did he just?
I don't know. I'm scared.
Every time I look.
I'm scared.
Oh man, I can't feel my leg.
Dude, it's all blurry to me. I can't. The jump scare is gonna be worse on mine, I think. I didn't know what happened. The music scared me. Oh my
I
god.
jumped so hard, I started going back.
Is it?
Stop.
Where is he?
See,
Behind
he's
the
probably
corner?
still. Yo, back up, dog.
Yeah, what the fuck are you doing, dude?
I'm not even scared.
I
now.
don't think we should.
I'm scared. I lied. Oh,
I'm
there's a
scared.
next
Oh,
night.
there's another one. We're not gonna call the police, dog. He's like at the side of somebody's house.
At 2 a.m, man. Okay,
Yeah.
that's. I'm
I
throwing
can-
shit at him.
I can
I'm throwing
judgment.
shit at him. Okay. What? Okay.
Why we gotta go to the market every night? Why can't we just stock up?
Yeah. What? Stock up on one night, you idiot.
Like literally.
Okay. Here we go.
Oh no! Who's running?
Bro, come on.
Oh,
no,
I'm
no,
not
no.
gonna like this.
Move.
Oh, I'm not
Move.
gonna like this.
Move.
Hey, buddy.
All right. It's okay.
Oh god,
We're
I'm not
okay.
gonna like this.
We're fine.
I'm not gonna like.
We're
Does
fine.
he like
Okay.
ask questions or something?
Look at that. It's that toe
That's
tapping,
good.
two-tapping, two-stepping.
This is pretty good, dude.
Oh.
I'm so scared though. I don't like this.
Oh God, you scared me. You scared me because I saw your hand move real quick.
Mine?
Yeah. Don't don't flash step to us. What the hell do you want?
I don't think he sounds like that.
I'm pretty sure he does. I'm just a toe tipping away. I'm just a tip-a-toeing away. He's not that bad. Except when that one movie that YouTube. Come look up, you stupid
What are we doing?
idiot!
Why are we looking
he's
out?
gonna run.
Wait,
He's gonna run.
Now, why would they do that? Now, let me ask you. Why would they do that? No. Why? Oh, he might be around the corner or something. You think he's around the corner?
Oh wait, why are we on the street now? Now we can move on the street.
We couldn't before?
Oh.
Go, bitch. Friend. Go, bitch. Do not turn around. I swear to God. If you fucking turn around, we're goners. We are goners. Do not turn around. Run.
I legitimately pissed myself. I dribbled on my
know where he
fucking.
was. I did not know where he was.
That's not fair.
Make a beeline. Make a beeline
not
to that
fair.
fucking market, dog.
Oh!
Oh shit!
I don't think this was in the.
Get his fucking keys and get out.
Oh my God! Stop! Bad ending. What? On the corner, right?
Yes.
He just starts.
Yeah, he's on the left side. We said, right?
Yep. There he goes. There he goes. That is so. That's messing up my knees, my arms, hairs are sticking out. I can't even talk right.
Why did it say? Why does it say go home? Like,
Maybe because we touched him. Maybe? Actual? Touch him actual?
I don't know. Maybe can we juke around him or I don't know.
Yeah, I don't want to turn around. Fuck it.
Yo, he's sprinting.
This man
Should run
is...
to the track star. Out, get out, before he knocks. He's gonna...
There's nothing I can do.
Dude,
Don't interact.
I don't like...
Maybe don't interact.
Okay, did you interact last time?
Yes.
Okay.
Because we died.
Okay, I'm super scared. Let's not.
Maybe we grab the keys. Or
I don't know.
just grab it.
Fuck it. Oh, we didn't get that noise last time.
That's what I'm saying. What do we do now?
We sprint out. I guess we have to
sprint. Go to the.
see if we.
Oh, don't check his body. Maybe that's what I did last.
Yeah, I think so. I think that's exactly what we did.
Just
Don't do
go
it.
out.
Yeah. It happens, right? Oh, bitch. Oh,
we do it? What happens if he's in the car? He's just waiting in the car. Finally got a good ending. My throat is hoarse.
Wow.
My throat is hoarse.
That was really
I got
scary.
nothing but good. Nothing but good.
Yeah,
The first run was like what? Like 6 minutes? Noxus Games? Thank you so much. Boom. Like, subscribe. I know y'all ain't liking or subscribing or nothing, okay? Don't act like I don't see the analytics. Don't act like I'm not hurt. Okay, love you guys. Bye.